This video I'm making because from my practical experience. Some around 3 to 4 days before, one of my students called me and I was quite surprised because most of my students don't call me on my personal number. But she called me on my personal number and said that, sir, I have a very important thing to talk to you. And I said, okay, speak up, what happened? And she said that, sir, you told me to speak in English with anyone around you, and I spoke with one of my colleague, and he said that your English is not good, so bad that I will forget my own English. So next time don't talk in English with me. Sir, I lost my confidence that what to do. Well, this video is all about that. When people around you laugh at your English, laugh at your broken English, and how to handle this. This is a big problem most of the people have, most of the English learners have, is people around them don't support them. People around them who are speaking in English, they have the ego with them. They will find faults in your English, they will laugh at your English, they will tease you, they will mock you. I will tell you how to handle this. Watch till the end. And I have always maintained one thing. English is more about psychology and less about English. Watch till the end and see how to handle these people. Well, friends, as I said, this was the incident which happened with one of my students. There was one more student in the same batch which I take online. And this student was, let us call him as Mr. High Self-Esteem. Okay. He said that, sir, I just go and talk to people. I just don't worry about what they think about my English, whether they laugh at me or not. I just take it very lightly. I also laugh at myself and I continue English. I don't change my language from English to my mother tongue. These are the two personalities. See, the event is same. What is the event? Someone laughs at your wrong English, but the reactions are different. One of my students, we can call her as low self-esteem. She said that, sir, next time I will not speak with that person. And next time I will never speak with anyone. Next time I will only speak with the students from your institute because they can understand me. And this guy is there who said that, sir, doesn't matter. I just go and talk to anyone. I just talk to customer care. I just go and talk to my neighbors, my teachers and all. I said, wow, very nice. He was an engineering student. Now, event is same and reactions are different. Why? Because there is no problem in the event. There is no problem in that particular situation, but the problem is in your thinking. I want to tell you why this person, Mr. High Self-Esteem, does not get affected by the other person. I'll tell you. So here, friends, one important lesson you have to learn is you cannot control other people. You cannot control their thinking. You cannot control their reactions. You cannot control how they treat you, but you can control how you handle your own thinking, how you handle your own emotions. This is the crux of the matter, and this is applicable not only for English, this is applicable everywhere in our life, dear friends. In this case, Mr. High Self-Esteem, his thinking was different. His thinking was, well, he laughed at me. It is his problem, not my problem. When you laugh at someone, it reveals more about you than the other person. It was his thinking. Second, well, it's like when I make a mistake while speaking any other language other than English, in Hindi or something, and when people laugh at me, I don't feel bad. Then why I should feel bad when I make mistakes in English and he laughs at me? Why should I feel bad? Because English is just like any other language. Yeah, like when a foreigner comes here and he makes mistake while speaking in Hindi and we laugh at his Hindi, he will not feel bad, he will not feel humiliated. Same thing here also. This was the thinking of Mr. High Self-Esteem. And again, Mr. High Self-Esteem was thinking like, well, this is only a language to express my feelings and my thoughts. This is not any prestige issue, or this is not any issue connected with my intelligence or connected with my success. It's a simple tool. It's a simple language. It does not reflect my academics. It does not reflect my intelligence, my character. Now, with this kind of thinking, Mr. High Self-Esteem had high self-esteem, high self-respect, because his self-respect, self-esteem does not depend on English. It does not depend on fluency. It does not depend on other person's reaction. It depends upon his own thoughts and not on English or external factors. This was the reason why Mr. High Self-Esteem, my student, did not react much when someone laughed at his English. He just continued with his English. He also laughed back and continued. But in the second case, that lady, she got hurt. Understandable. But we have to come back. You have to bounce back, because you cannot just get controlled by others. You cannot just stop because others have laughed at you. Her thinking was different. Her thinking was, oh, he laughed at my English, so I'm not good. It is insulting. He laughed at my English. It proves that I'm a failure. It proves that if you are not good in English, then you are uneducated. You are illiterate. He laughed at me. Well, it's such a big humiliation. I made a mistake, and mistakes are horrible. I should not make mistake. Now, with this kind of thought process, this lady, we can call low self-esteem, lost the confidence, felt bad, and told me that, well, I will not talk in English with anyone else. I will only talk with the students of our institute. But that's not the solution, because you have to communicate with everyone in the world. Dear friends, be careful next time when you speak with English and someone laughs at your English. They are going to laugh. Some will not laugh, some will support. But we can't change the world. We have to change ourselves. We have to change ourselves. A small story I'll tell you in the last session, and then I will stop. One day, one dad was sitting in his home on Sunday. His 7-year-old son came and started pestering him, asked him for playing with him. He said, no, I'm busy. He was reading newspaper. Because he wanted to get rid of his son, he told his son to do one task. He tore the newspaper. On the front side of the newspaper, there was one world map, and he told his son that get the map right, put the map properly. He thought his son will take at least 1 hour. But his son came in 5 minutes and said, look, Dad. He said, how you did this? His son said, Dad, I don't know where is Australia. I don't know where is India. I don't know where is Switzerland. But I know where is nose and where is mouth. He said, what do you mean? He said, on the other side of the newspaper, on the other side of the map, there was a face of a man. I got the man right, the world got right. What it means? You get your right, yourself right, your thinking right, the world will be right. We don't need to change the world, we have to change ourselves. So dear friends, next time, whenever anyone laughs at you, tell yourself, no one can insult me without my permission. In the comments, I want you to write the same. Write down in the comments, no one can insult me without my permission. Thanks for watching this video, and take care and go and speak up. Doesn't matter whether they laugh or praise at your English. My best wishes to you. Goodbye.